Hi guys, you are watching this video of mine. It means that you are interested in the products I have shown. If you want to buy such a best electric bikes on Amazon, then you can take any one of your choice from the 5 links given in my video description. I have deeply searched all the types of products available on Amazon and presented the best 5 products for you here. You can save both your time and money by watching this full video and buying the best product of your choice. And subscribe to the channel to get more products you need. Product number 1. TST Electric Bike. Having ridden the TST electric bike extensively, I found it to be a fantastic bridge between a casual commuter and a rugged off-roader. My experience with the upgraded suspension was immediately noticeable. It absorbed potholes and gravel paths far better than standard forks, making the ride surprisingly plush. The standout feature here is the comfort factor, combined with the moped-style aesthetics, which turns heads. However, the bike is quite heavy, making it difficult to maneuver upstairs if you live in an apartment, and the pedal placement feels slightly awkward if you attempt to pedal without power assist for long distances. You should buy this if you prioritize ride comfort and style over pure pedaling efficiency. In terms of price compatibility, it sits in the middle of this list, offering better durability than the budget options but costing less than the high-performance dual-motor beasts, representing solid value for a daily driver. Product number 2. DTT-ZH Electric Bike. The DTT-ZH is a powerhouse that surprised me with its raw torque and battery capacity. Riding this bike felt closer to piloting a small motorbike than a traditional bicycle, largely due to its aggressive acceleration and sturdy frame build. I was particularly impressed by the range. The high-capacity battery consistently outlasted the others on this list during long throttle-heavy sessions. On the downside, the fit and finish feel a bit more industrial and less refined than a brand like GoTrax, and the display interface is somewhat clunky to navigate while riding. You should buy this if you need maximum range and power on a budget and don't mind a heavier, bulkier machine. Price-wise, it is an aggressive competitor, often undercutting similar high-wattage bikes, making it the bang-for-your-buck speedster of the group, though it lacks the polish of the more expensive models. Product number 3. Misoto Electric Mountain Bike. The Misoto offers a much more traditional cycling experience compared to the moped-style entries on this list. When I took this out on local trails, I appreciated its lighter frame and standard mountain bike geometry, which allowed me to actually pedal effectively even when the motor wasn't doing all the work. It feels agile and responsive in corners. However, the components are basic. The mechanical brakes require frequent adjustment, and the motor struggles significantly on steep hills compared to the TST or Eco-E. You should buy the Misoto if you want a bike that still feels like a bicycle and needs something lightweight for racking onto a car or carrying inside. Its price compatibility is excellent for beginners, positioning it as an accessible entry-level option that is cheaper than the heavy-duty models, but more capable off-road than the folding commuters. Product number 4. GoTrax R1. The GoTrax R1 is the most practical utility option in this lineup, and I found myself reaching for it constantly for quick errands. Its folding mechanism is intuitive and smooth, allowing me to tuck it under a desk or into a trunk effortlessly. The 20-inch tires are nimble, and the brand reliability of GoTrax shines through in the consistent motor performance. The major drawback is the lack of rear suspension, which makes the ride quite harsh on uneven pavement, and the smaller battery means you will be charging it more frequently than the DTT-Z or Eco-E. You should buy this if space saving is your top priority and your commute is relatively flat and short. Regarding price compatibility, this is likely the most affordable and wallet-friendly option here, perfect for students or city dwellers who need reliable transportation without a massive financial commitment. Product number 5. Eco-E Electric Bike. The Eco-E is in a league of its own regarding sheer performance and is easily the most thrilling ride of the bunch. With its high-voltage system and dual-motor setup, I was able to conquer steep inclines and loose sand that stalled every other bike on this list. The traction provided by the AWD system provides an incredible sense of safety on slippery terrain. However, this performance comes at a cost. It is incredibly heavy, unwieldy to transport, and overkill for simple city commuting. Furthermore, it consumes battery quickly if you are constantly pushing the dual motors. You should buy this if you are an adrenaline junkie or live in an area with extreme terrain that demands all-wheel drive. Price compatibility puts this as the premium, high-ticket item of the group, justifying its higher cost with unmatched power and off-road capability that the others simply cannot touch.